Hi, my food lovers. Welcome back to another recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these jam rolls. Let's get started. So into a bowl, you want to go in with some soft flour or the pastry flour. Now I'm using these amounts and they'll be listed in the description. You want to go in with some salt to taste, and at this stage you can add nutmeg. It's going to add up to the flavor, but we do not use nutmeg here. You know what we use as the video progresses. So I went in with some salted margarine as well. You can use butter if you prefer that. However, I'm using margarine here. Just create a well and go in with that. We are going to use our fingers to rub these together until we get a very fine crumbling feel. And that is what we want to go in for. You want it to be rich a little. You don't want it to be stretchy or hard. With less margarine, it's going to be hard. So just do it as you see. At this stage, you can either use water or milk to bring everything together. We are going to be using this vanilla flavor. You can also use banana, pineapple, or whatever you prefer. Now let's go in with water, but you can add cold milk or cold water. Everything is fine. Add the water bit by bit until you are able to bring everything together. You're able to get a workable dough, and this is perfect. Now we'll set this aside and we are going to go ahead to prepare our work surface. So I'm using this chopping board right here, and you can also sprinkle some flour on it so that your dough doesn't stick onto that, but this is okay. It's not going to do anything to it. Here you roll it out and then you can use any jam of your choice. I'm using strawberry jam here. You can use pineapple or whatever you prefer. If you want to enhance the color of the strawberry, then you should go in with some red food color a little to be able to enhance the bright color of your strawberry. Do not put too much on your dough. If you do that, if you put it in the oven, it's going to spill out, and then you have little to no jam in your roll at all. So do not do that. Just add a little. The fact that you're making this at home and you want it rich, you should not add too much of the jam. If you do that, you are going to lose everything and it will be messing your oven or your baking tray. So don't do that. Just cut them to your desired shapes and also the sizes you prefer, and you have to really just do a little to this. I'm saying this because you might think that, okay, I want it to reach, so let me add more of the jam, and you ruin everything. So do not do that. Roll it just as you see on your screens, and then cut them into your desired shapes and sizes. And if today is your first time coming across my video, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like this video if you're enjoying it, or if you enjoy it to this very stage. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet, because we upload video every week. So do well to hit that subscribe button, click on that bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video we post in the future. Now get some egg wash, that is some egg and water or egg with milk. Beat them together and rub it on your rolls like this. This is going to give it that golden brown finish look, and that is going to be perfect. Let's put this in the oven and bake, and you should have something like this. Our jam roll is just nice and it tastes so good. You can enjoy it with anything, and I'll leave everything in the description for you. I hope that this video helps you, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I'll answer them all. Do well to follow my other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, and I'll see you there. Until then, stay safe. Bye.